Hello guys, welcome you back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to claim a $10 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. Okay, so this is a new campaign from Bold Prime called Social Quest, and they are sharing $300, and it is only 30 people that will receive $10 each. Okay, so it's just 30 people that will be qualified. Okay, so please take a second to like this video so that YouTube can push it to more people. So this is not a demo money, it's a trading credit, but you must complete the social tax first. So if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. And the link to claim this bonus is going to be in the description below. Okay, so once you click on the link, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel. So join my Telegram channel so that you can be getting daily updates like this. All right, so let's talk about the terms and conditions. You can see it right here. So the first one is all participants must possess an active verified Bold Prime account. Then the second one, completion of the required task does not equate to a guaranteed award of the bonus, but rather an opportunity for selection to win. Only those uploads submitted during the eligible campaign period will qualify for consideration. All submissions must include a screenshot of your work as proof. So the $10 trading credit is not eligible for withdrawal. This credit can only be used for margin trading purposes. If you are selected as the winner, the $10 bonus will be credited to your account within 14 business days after your submission has been verified as a winner. The winners will be selected and announced on January 30th, 2026. So in addition, Bold Prime reserves the right to validate, approve, or decline any submissions that do not conform to the requirements set forth in this promotional offer. Okay, so you can see, to learn more about the complete terms and conditions of this promotional offer, please visit Bold Prime official website. So these are the terms and conditions. Okay, so you can go through it. So here is how it works. So the first thing that we need to do is to register. So we have to input our first name, your birthday month, your birthday day, your country, residential address, your zip code, phone number, your email, your password. Okay, you repeat password, and you click on I am not a robot, and you agree to the terms and conditions, as you can see it right here. Okay, so we're going to do that right now. So once we're done doing that, then we're going to click on continue. Okay, so let's do that right now. So I've done mine already, as you can see it. So I'm just going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, a message has been sent to your email. Yes, so we're just going to be entering the pin right here. Okay, so I'm going to head on to my email. So you can see it, I've gotten the message. So I'm just going to copy it. I'll copy my pin number. Then I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, you can see me copying it. So I'm just going to head back to the site, then I'm going to paste it. Okay, so once you're done doing that, then you click on continue. Okay, so after clicking on continue, it's going to bring you straight to the site. So you can see my email is now verified. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be doing is to click on this three icon right here. Then you go to context. So you can see it right here, Bold Prime social context. Okay, so complete simple social task and stand the chance to receive free $10 trading credits. So we are to join the Bold Prime Social Quest, a limited time social media campaign designed to reward active community participation, complete each fixed task, and complete valid proof through the Bold Prime client portal. Okay, so only submissions made within the active phase period will be considered valid. So you can see the screenshot proof required, the things that are required: screenshot proof required, phase-based submission, then the winner. They will announce the winner on the 30th, no, yes, 30th of January 2026. Ignore the 2025. It's supposed to be 2026, not 2025, okay? So you can see it right here. You have to submit your proof. So once you complete the active phase tax and upload your proof through the client portal, so you can see it where you have to submit your screenshots. Then the first one, you have to complete the phase tax. The second one, you have to take a clear screenshot. Then the third one, you have to upload in client portal. Okay. Then the fourth one, you have to submit within the phase dates. So submissions outside the active phase period will not be considered. So you can see the campaign phases. So follow and subscribe. So you have to follow, like, and subscribe to all official platforms. Like I said before, ignore the 2025. It's supposed to be 2026. So it's a mistake from their side. So you can see you have to send the screenshots proof. Then after that, you engage and share. So you are also to like, to comment, and share any bold prime post with caption and using, you can see it, hashtag bold prime social quest. So you're also to send the screenshots. Okay, so you can see the app review bold prime app on Play Store or App Store. So you're also to send the screenshot as proof. So you can see the winner announcements will be on the 30th of January 2026. Okay, so submissions made before the start date of each phase will not be counted. So you can see it. This is how to perform the task. Okay, so let me say it again. After you log in, you open your dashboard, you go to the context section, then from there you select bold primes social context, that's social quest, to access the campaign page. So you complete all required social tasks by following, liking, and subscribing to all official broker social media platforms. Screenshot proof of each completed task is mandatory and must be uploaded through the following parts, okay, which is the client portal, the contest, the bold prime social quest. So once all steps are completed correctly, your participation will be reviewed by the broker. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, so do well to do yours. We have limited time left. Okay, so if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep earning. Peace out.